Over on P.E.I., most Prince Edward Islanders are without electricity again tonight. More people lost their power in Fiona than they did from Hurricane Juan. Still, Maritime Electric managed to restore power to 5,000 customers today, but it will be a long, perhaps exhausting process. Here's CTV's Jack Morris.
At last count, about 75,000 homes and businesses are without power. To put that into perspective, there's only about 160,000 people living on P.E.I. 10,000 have had power restored since the height of the storm, 4,500 just this morning. But the focus is still on critical areas.
The assessments are still ongoing and will go into the days, and certainly we're prioritizing the needs of our critical infrastructure sites, such as hospitals, schools, grocery stores, gas stations, to make sure that they're powered up.
There are 89 crews in the field. That number is expected to grow to 107 by Wednesday. This is the biggest restoration effort in the history of Maritime Electric, worse than even Hurricane Juan.
But the sheer devastation on Prince Edward Island, I'm not sure if others can match that. With all due respect, I think that the significant amount of damage that we've had across the province is the worst storm I've ever seen.
A small silver lining, major infrastructure like transmission lines and substations seems to have fared better than in Dorian. However, there is still no timeline on when regular residential neighborhoods will see power return.
It's unfortunate that I can't give an actual restoration time, and I apologize for that. But the sheer magnitude of the trees that are down on our lines, our crews sometimes are having problems just trying to access the different sites as it is.
Comfort centers are open across the province. The weather is relatively mild, so people are using the centers to recharge devices and connect to Wi-Fi. That, as government promises, a continued focus on power outages.
The top priority right now is getting the lights back on. That's the backbone of when we can make significant progress in getting our province back on its feet.
Power outages are now the biggest drivers of fuel shortages on the island. Though power was returned to a major fuel depot in Charlottetown yesterday, many gas stations are still without power, so there just aren't enough places to get fuel. Now, along with those power outages come problems with cell service and with data coverage. So right now, Maritime Electric is working on it. Unlike in Hurricane Dorian, there's a specific plan to focus on towers like this one to get cell coverage and data coverage back up as soon as possible. Now, it's not perfect yet, and cell coverage on the island is still spotty, but I can tell you that it's better than it was yesterday. Todd?
And that's a bit of good news, and we'll take it. Thank you very much, Jack. CTV's Jack Morris in Charlottetown.